Every once in a while, something rolls onto the scene that makes you stop scrolling, sit up, and think, wait, did Honda really just do that? Well, they did. Because Honda has officially stepped into the luxury motorhome game for 2026, and this thing is already shaking up the industry. Forget what you thought you knew about RVs, because this isn't just a motorhome. It's basically a futuristic mansion on wheels with Honda's signature engineering behind it. So let's dive in, because I've been waiting to talk about this one. Now first off, the design. Honda didn't play it safe here, they went bold. The 2026 Honda Motorhome doesn't look like a big box slapped on wheels like some older RVs we're used to seeing. No, this thing looks sculpted, sleek, almost like a concept vehicle that escaped the auto show floor and hit the highway. The front end carries a bit of that Honda SUV DNA we've seen in the Pilot and Ridgeline, but stretched into this elegant, aerodynamic face that just glides with the road. The body lines are sharp but clean, with LED lighting wrapping around it like jewelry. If you're parked next to one of these at a campsite, trust me, everyone else is going to stop and stare. But it's not just about the looks. Honda packed serious brains under the hood. This motorhome runs on a hybrid engine system that combines a traditional powertrain with Honda's electric technology, meaning you're getting the best of both worlds. You've got the strength and stamina for those long highway drives, but when you roll into a campground or city area, you can switch into a quieter, cleaner electric mode. And here's the kicker. Honda's estimating a range that seriously outpaces what most motorhomes are offering right now. That means less time worrying about fuel stops and more time actually enjoying the trip. And if you're the type that doesn't just stick to the highways, Honda's thought of you too. This isn't a fragile luxury coach that gets nervous the second you leave the pavement. The 2026 Honda Motorhome comes with all-wheel drive and an off-road assist system that borrows tech from Honda's adventure vehicles. Think better traction, higher ground clearance, and suspension tuning that makes dirt roads, gravel, and even light trails totally doable. Imagine taking a motorhome like this out into the mountains or the desert and still feeling completely confident. That's a game changer. But of course, we have to talk about the inside, because this is where Honda really went all out. Step inside, and it doesn't feel like a typical RV. It feels like a high-end apartment on wheels. We're talking premium leather seating, soft touch surfaces everywhere, a panoramic smart glass roof that can tint at the push of a button, and lighting that shifts from bright daytime vibes to soft, cozy evening moods. The living space is designed with that Japanese sense of simplicity and elegance. Everything feels open, airy, and smartly arranged. The kitchen is fully modern, with induction cooking, a spacious fridge, and even a built-in coffee system, because Honda knows we're not surviving on instant coffee when we're paying this kind of money. The bathroom? Let's just say you won't feel like you're squeezing into a cramped corner. It's roomy, it's stylish, and it feels like something straight out of a boutique hotel. And the bedroom might be my favorite part. You're getting a full-size bed setup with memory foam comfort, hidden storage all around, and even an entertainment system tucked into the walls. There's also a convertible lounge area that can transform into a workspace if you're one of those digital nomads living life on the road. Basically, it's built for both relaxation and productivity, which I think a lot of modern travelers are going to love. Now here's something clever. Honda has integrated their latest AI-driven smart home tech into this motorhome. That means voice controls for lighting, climate, and even appliances. Want the temperature cooler? Just ask. Need the blinds closed? One command and it's done. And because Honda has been pushing into safety for decades, you also get their suite of driver, Assistance features: lane keeping, adaptive cruise, collision mitigation. It's all here. And it makes piloting this massive home on wheels a lot less stressful. So, what about the price? Well, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. Early reports are putting the E2DU 2026 Honda Motorhome in the ballpark of around $350,000 to $450,000, depending on trim and customization. Now, that definitely puts it in the premium category, but when you compare what you're getting, the design, the hybrid powertrain, the off-road capability, the luxury interior, it actually feels like Honda is delivering a lot of value. And remember, Honda is known for reliability. Owning one of these could mean fewer headaches and longer adventures without worrying about constant breakdowns or repairs. And honestly, I think Honda stepping into this space is huge. It pushes the competition. To innovate more, it gives customers more options, and it shows that motorhomes are evolving beyond just being big vans for camping. They're becoming modern, smart, luxurious homes that you can take anywhere. So, if you're like me and you've been waiting for something to shake up the RV world, the 2026 Honda Motorhome might just be the one. Sleek looks, a hybrid heart, off-road guts, and a luxury soul. It's everything you'd want in a road trip companion. What do you think? Would you actually buy one of these if the price was right? Or is it too much luxury for something that's still meant to get a little dirty? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I'm curious how people are feeling about Honda jumping into the motorhome game. And of course, if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into upcoming RVs and motorhomes, and I'll catch you on the next one.